Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Google Drive not syncing. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is click the Drive icon in the taskbar menu and go to the settings gear icon, tap on your profile, and you can simply go ahead and go from here, or you could also tap on your triple lines and go to your settings from here. This is where you want to simply go to your backup right over here, and this is where you want to simply pause and resume sync with your account, and that should go ahead and solve your problem. If it still doesn't, you might need to simply go ahead and check if there are any updates available. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for Drive, and once you've done that, tap on the application. If there are any updates available, there will be an update button on the screen right over there. If none of it works, you have no other option but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.